Hello friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Raksha Srivastava. Friend, today we are discuss important question of English pedagogy. So let's start. First question: National Education Policy advocates study of A. Sanskrit, Hindi, English and modern Indian language. B. Mother tongue English, state language, Sanskrit, Praktik and tribal and mirror language. C. English as medium of instruction across schooling. And D. Mother tongue home language, classical language, modern Indian language and foreign language. So friend, National Education Policy advocate study of a mother tongue, home language, classical language, modern Indian language and foreign language. D will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे friend. A children of 8 years from Bihar moved to Mumbai along with her parents, and she learns Hindi, Sanskrit and English in school and learned the language of Marathi very well from her neighborhood and her friends in school. What would you describe the learning of Marathi? A. Language acquisition, B. Language learning, C. Scaffolding and D. Input hypothesis. So friend, language acquisition is a children of 8 years from moves to Mumbai along with her parents, and she learns Hindi, Sanskrit and English in school and learns the language of Marathi very well from her neighborhood and her friends in school. What would you describe the learning of Marathi of language acquisition? Correct option A will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. While reading a text, a learner gets some promotes that supports the meaning making process. What is this known as? A. Skimming, B. Scanning, C. Semantic cues and D. Formulaic cues. So friend, semantic cues, while reading a text, learners get some promotes that support the meaning making process. Okay, what is known as semantic cues? C will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. Which process of listening involves getting the main idea, predicting, drawing inference and summarizing? A. Bottom up listening process, B. Listening for information, C. Top down listening process and D. Informational listening. So friends, C will be right answer, top down listening process. Okay, next question. Noun, verb, adjective, adverb are categorized as A. Content word, B. Function word, C. Passive vocabulary and D. Active vocabulary. So friend, noun, verb, adjective, adverbs are categorized as content word. A will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. Knowledge about the form, describing and applying it in limited practice is A. Procedural knowledge, B. Declarative knowledge, C. Grammar translation process, D. Language processing. To friend, B will be right answer, declarative knowledge. Okay, knowledge about the form, describing and applying it in limited practice is declarative knowledge. B will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. Origin of the text from context in natural language is A. contrived text, B. a literary work, C. a text developed by textbook writers, C. D. an authentic text. So friend, an authentic text, origin of the text from context in natural language is an authentic text. D will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे friend कि which of the following are true of language assessment? A. achievement of learners, B. assessing the grammatical knowledge of learner, C. assessing the language proficiency of learner and D. to find what learner do not know. Friend, which of the following are true of language assessment? Is C will be right answer, assessing the language proficiency of learner. C will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे friend, which of the following are true of error in language classroom? A. errors are learning areas and feedback from both learners and the teachers. B. errors are to be corrected then and there as learners use language. C. errors are learning areas for the teacher only. D. errors is an indication of interference of first language in the second language. So friend, which of the following are true of errors in a language classroom? So A will be right answer, errors are learning areas and feedback for both learners and the teacher. Okay, next question देखेंगे. A language teachers along with her social science colleges give an assignments on culture diversity of India. Learners are to consult social science books and other books and documents relating to history, geography, culture and politics to write a report and develop a poster on the theme. What would this process of language learning called? A. language in a social science, B. social science assignment, C. language across the curriculum, D. language writing development. So friend, right answer is C, language across the curriculum. Okay, Next question. A learner while learning the new grammatical form says future perfect while have plus part participle is able to connect what he has already learned. The present perfect form has plus part participle. What would this learning strategy be called? A. Cognitive strategies, B. Metacognitive strategy, C. Form based learning, and D. Collaborative learning. So friend, cognitive strategy. What would this learning strategy be called? Cognitive strategy. A will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. A learner is able to read a text with limited understanding. C is able to read the text very well and do the comprehension text with the support of her elder brother. This practice of learning teaching. A. Coaching, B. Tutoring, C. Scaffolding, and D जो है input hypothesis. तो friend, this practice of learning teaching is scaffolding. Correct option C हो जाएगा. C will be right answer. Okay. Next question देखेंगे. A task which support learner to connect from meaning and uses is A है friend communicative task in grammar learning, B है language learning task for meaning making, and सी है कि फॉर्मेटिव टास्क फॉर ग्रामर लर्निंग, एंड डी है फ्रेंड की प्रोड्यूसरल ग्रामर लर्निंग. तो फ्रेंड, अ टास्क विच सपोर्ट लर्नर टू कनेक्ट फ्रॉम मीनिंग एंड यूजेज इज कम्युनिकेटिव टास्क इन ग्रामर लर्निंग. ए विल बी राइट आंसर. ओके, आगे देखेंगे फ्रेंड. अगला क्वेश्चन क्या है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कॉन्शियसनेस रेजिंग स्ट्रेटजी इन ग्रामर लर्निंग. ए है फ्रेंड की प्रेजेंट ग्रामेटिकल आइटम एज फॉर्म एंड प्रैक्टिस मेनी और टाइम टू यूज इट लेटर इन आइसोलेशन. बी है फ्रेंड की प्रेजेंट द ग्रामर लैंग्वेज आइटम इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट इनेबल लर्नर टू नोटिस एंड यूज इट एंड लेटर ड्रॉ दियर अटेंशन टू इट्स फॉर्म. सी है प्रेजेंट द ग्रामेटिकल रूल्स फ्रॉम ग्रामर बुक और फ्रॉम अ वर्क बुक एंड गिव एक्सरसाइज टू सॉल्व बाई लर्नर. डी है ग्रामेटिकल आइटम्स इज प्रेजेंटेड इन अ टेक्स्ट और नरेटिव एंड लर्न थ्रू ड्रिल्स. तो फ्रेंड, विच ऑफ द following is consciousness raising study in grammar learning. To present the grammar language items in context enables learner to notice and use it and later draw their attention to its form. B will be right answer. Okay, next and last question. Constructivism as learning theory believes that A. Children learn new knowledge through classroom teaching. B. Language is learned through structure practice. C. All learners learn in the same manner. And D. Children learn by connecting with their previous knowledge. So D will be right answer कि children learn by connecting with their previous knowledge. Okay, thank you friends.